Hi, my name is Tony and welcome to my family home. This house was built in 1910. My great-grandparents moved in 1916. So the house has been in my family for 102 years. We went through the process as a family of looking at different companies throughout Portland who could help bring this home back to its original state. We had some complications because we had aluminum siding and underneath that was lead paint from the 1950s. So when we contacted SFW, what really impressed me was the enthusiasm they had for taking on the project and also their knowledge and expertise with being able to remove the lead paint in an environmentally safe manner. Jay and his crew were excellent about helping us pick the right colors and the right scheme to really highlight the architectural features. SFW Construction was excellent to work with. Right off the bat, one of the first things I noticed was the quality of the workmanship. These guys knew what they were doing. They have tons of experience out in the field, and I did not think for a second that they were cutting costs or trying to cut corners in order to just get the job done. They treated this home as if it was their own with the same care and respect that I have for it. So that really made me very pleased, first off. Second of all, they consulted with us when there were problems that occurred. When we took off the aluminum siding, we really didn't know what we were going to expect, and for the most part it's great, but there are a couple spots that needed some repairs due to neglect. After that was all taken care of, they really led us along with the right color choices in a historical palette to really make the house stand out. If someone asked me if I would use them again, I would definitely say yes. They did wonderful work. I stand by their quality and I don't have any hesitations giving them a glowing recommendation.